Hello subscribers of my channel, viewers of this people. This problem often occurs. Lada any 1367 yours Ford doesn't matter carburetor disappears idling car's old. Rust collects in the tanks in the waters of the reveler all this stuff flies into the carburetor and happens very often happens stupidly. Single then money at a traffic light CHMO meet is very inconvenient you start under the actual overflowing in general and everyone. Business above you will see it will take literally 30 seconds watch the video to the end I will know. What should I do to fix the hood problems? We go from the battery side, which means on the right side. Carburetor here we have the idle jet of a backwoods car. Take a flat-head screwdriver to set the clock for you to understand and unscrew the benchmark. There can be 3 types, this one is simple. The nozzle holder from the solenoid valve is available in so many holders that you can't go wrong, it's copper. Unscrew the bolt, now look, take out the nozzle, look into this hole yourself, but the light should shine through. You look at the sun, don't just blow it against the movement there, you can blow it. So that ideally you can blow it out with a compressor or pump, you can just use your mouth. This will be enough, we put it back. The jet, pay attention so that the jet does not dangle, if it dangles, move these antennae apart and insert the jet to the back and before screwing it all back in, be sure to blow it out. We are responsible for this and start it. I'll show you how to do it in an hour, so watch it to blow it yourself. Idle channel we will need to start the car now and just like that with your finger. Just plug this hole with your finger and start the music according to your mind. All in now you can safely install the jet back. We have an arrival on you, this can be done. Do it right on the road it will take 2 minutes the idle speed will definitely appear and you will not make any adjustments. You violate any settings, please note that the jet must be tightened all the way, in principle that's all. The car will drive with normal halo spinal cords everything should work out subscribe to the channel like it let's go. The tip is gray thanks.